Today I'll be using the book Can Anna Be Queen Bee from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. Remember, if you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses their learning on the unit QU. I'm going to be saying a couple of words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully to tell me what sounds are the same in each of the words that I say. I will say the word, you will echo the word. Okay, are you ready to get started? Here we go. Queen, quick. What sounds did you hear in each of those two words? That's right, you heard kwa. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the kwa sound. Get your mirror and put it right up to your mouth, and I want you to say kwa. What's happening? You're right. Your mouth is actually making two sounds. The first sound it's making is the k. When you make that sound, it starts in the back of your throat and a little puff of air is kicked out. When you make the w sound, your lips are round and your voice is turned on. Let's make those sounds together. Kwa. Good job. Now, let's find out if this is voiced or unvoiced. Put your hand on your throat and together let's say k. Did you feel anything? Neither did I. So that sound is unvoiced. Now put your hand on your throat again and make the w sound. Did you feel anything? Did you feel a vibration? I did too. So we know that the w is voiced. So when we make, put your mirror up and let's make it together. Kwa. When we make that sound, we know that it's coming from the k and the w. And we know that it's the first part is unvoiced and the last part is voiced. Nice job. Go ahead, let's put our mirrors away. Now, I'm going to write a couple of words on the board. And I want you to look very carefully with your eyes because this time I need you to see what letters are the same in both of these words. Q, U, E, E, N. Look carefully. Q, U, I, C, K. What letters are the same in both of these words? That's right. Good for you. We see QU and QU. Let me tell you something about Q. Whenever you see Q, right after it, you will always see U. So U will always be after Q. We say that those two are stuck together, kind of like glue. Today, we will be looking at consonant Q. Let's read these two words together. Queen, quick. When you read the book, Can Anna Be Queen Bee? You will have a chance to see QU and you will read that as qua. Remember, it's unvoiced and voiced. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, you've got this.